All right, in this little video, I'm going to be showing you how to email students in your Google Classroom. I'm on one of my classroom pages right now. You can just go to People, and you can email everybody just by clicking on that box, or you can go and email individual students. And you can put the recipients and they're the main recipients in the email, and then just click send if you wanted to do that. We're gonna not do that. You could also go to the three dots, email individual students. You can go back to the main page. Click on the class, and you can email students directly from here. And that's about how easy it is. Thanks.